क्या क्या है भाई? हम लोग के लिए आईडी नहीं है भाई, हम लोग तो पहले से इनवाइट हैं। क्या है? बहुत तगड़ा फील हो रहा है।
हाँ भाई, वीडियो
और आगे पूरा लॉक कर देगा ना? यही है,
यही है।
हाँ।
ये देखो डायरेक्टर से
डायरेक्टर से डायरेक्टर सर चीफ गेस्ट।
आगे चल,
आगे बैठेगा।
चल आगे तो
Our chief guest has arrived in the auditorium. Good morning to all our esteemed guests, distinguished speakers, respected delegates, faculty members, researchers, and dear students. We are deeply honored to welcome our esteemed chief guest, Honorable Shri Sanjay Sethi, Minister of State for Defence, Government of India, who has kindly taken time from his demanding schedule to grace this occasion. I kindly request him to take a seat on the dais. Let's welcome him with a round of applause. Welcome, sir. May I now request Professor Sukumar Mishra to do a floral welcome for our guest of honor, Sri Ashok Pandaji, Chairman, Steel Authority of India Limited. Welcome, sir. May I now request Professor Sukumar Mishra for a floral welcome of Padma Shri Sangamitra Bandyopadhyay ji. Welcome, ma'am. May I now request Professor Sukumar Mishra for a floral welcome of Sri J.G. Patil ji, President, Indian National Academy of Engineering. Welcome, sir. May I now request Professor Amit Dixit to do a floral welcome of our director, Professor Sukumar Mishra. Welcome, sir. Light signifies knowledge, wisdom, and hope. It represents the dispelling of ignorance and beginning of a journey towards discovery and progress.
Academy of Engineering at a time when IIT ISM is in its 100th year is a matter of immense pride to all the ISM and all the students of this and faculty. This symposium represents a collective commitment to shaping India's technological future through dialogue among academia, industry, research organizations.
Member of the board of InSpace, India Space Sector Regulator and Promoter. During his remarkable career spanning nearly 5 decades with Larsen & Toubro, he made significant contributions to India's defense, aerospace, space, and strategic manufacturing capabilities. He served on the board of L&T as director and was also a member of its executive committee of management. Under his stewardship, L&T developed more than 350 indigenous products, technologies, systems, and platforms through in-house research and close collaboration with the DRDO and the Indian Armed Forces. He is the founding vice president and a former president of the Society of Indian Defense Manufacturers, as well as the founding chairman of the Indian Space Association. His exceptional contribution to nation building has earned him numerous distinctions, including IIT Bombay's Distinguished Alumnus Award, Fellowship of the Indian National Academy of Engineering, and several prestigious lifetime achievement honors. May I now request Sri J.D. Patilji to kindly address the gathering.
Thank you. At the outset, I would wish to thank our chief guest, Sanjay Sethi, to be here. Translation right across, and it's primarily focused not at the senior lot, like fellows of INA, the members of INA, but people who essentially do work on ground. And that's essentially where people who are just moved out of their academics from the age group of 27 to 45 is what we target. People who are truly doing the startups, small companies who are in their infancy years. We look at them in terms of what they're going to be doing for this nation in building products, in building technologies, which is what is going to take the country ahead.
Thank you, sir, for highlighting the significance of interdisciplinary engineering, industry-academia collaboration, and innovation-led manufacturing. Your words have clearly brought the purpose and national relevance of NAT FOA 2026 and IMP 2026. Thank you. Our guest of honor, Padma Shri Sanghamitra Bandyopadhyay, former director, ISI Kolkata and FNAE, is an internationally acclaimed computer scientist. Her pioneering contributions span machine engineering, evolutionary computation, pattern recognition, data mining, and computational biology. Her outstanding efforts have earned her numerous prestigious honors, including the Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award, the Infosys Prize, the TWAS Prize, the DBT National Women Bioscientist Award, the INAE Silver Jubilee Award, the JC Bose National Fellowship, and the Swan Jayantee Fellowship, along with the Humboldt Fellowship. Professor Bandyopadhyay is a fellow of INSA, INAE, NASI, and IEEE, a senior associate of the International Center for Theoretical Physics, and a member of the Prime Minister's Science, Technology, and Innovation Advisory Council. We are truly honored to have her with us today. May I now request Padma Shri Sanghamitra Bandyopadhyay ji to kindly address the audience. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you very much, Professor Madhulika, for the nice introduction. Honorable Sri Sanjay Sethi, Ministry of State for Defense, Government of India, Sri J.D. Patil, President, Indian National Academy of Engineering, Sri Ashok Kumar Ponda, Chairman SAIL, Professor Amit Rai Dixit, and I should say my friend for a long time, Professor Shukumar Mishra, Director, IIT ISM Dhanbad, who's been, as he mentioned, he's been a friend for about 30 years now. And we interact not only in award ceremonies, but also in very many committees and other activities, including activities of INAE. So it is my first visit to IIT ISM Dhanbad, and it's a pleasure to be here today in this INAE activity, NAT FOE, as you've heard from the President of Indian National Academy of Engineering. I forgot to mention there are many dignitaries of the dais, including IIEST director here, and of course, other participants as well as students, in particular the students. So since I also wear a hat of the Fellow of Indian National Academy of Engineering, I consider it my duty to also, say something about INAE and about what it stands for. INAE, the National Academy of the country for engineers. The students, you should all target one day to become part of this INAE family, because this not only gives, this academy not only gives all of us an enhanced visibility, but also it gives us a responsibility.
It's our privilege to have Sri Ashok Pandaji, Chairman, Steel Authority of India Limited, as the distinguished guest of honor on this occasion. Sri Pandaji has more than 3 decades of experience across different plants and units of SAIL. He began his career with SAIL as a management trainee after completing his degree in electrical engineering and subsequently earned a postgraduate qualification in finance as well as a doctorate in business finance. With more than 3 decades of distinguished experience, Dr. Panda has served the organization in several key leadership roles across different units. His expertise spans operational management, finance, commercial strategy, sales and marketing, and organizational development. As Director of Finance and subsequently, while holding the additional responsibility of Director Commercial, he led several strategic initiatives to improve operational efficiency, profitability, production, market reach, and product value. May I now request Sri Ashok Pandaji to kindly address the gathering.
Thank you very much, Professor Madhulika. Very good morning, everybody. Honorable Minister, Mr. Sanjay Seth, who is my dear friend, best friend, your director, IIT ISM, Professor Sukumar Mishra, Mr. Patel, Professor Bandopadhyay, Professor Dikshit, all my dear friends, students, researchers, and everybody present here. The hall is full, and that shows the strength and the interest that we have. Students from IIT ISM who are here, as well as other students from other colleges, as Professor was mentioning, they are also present here to celebrate the centenary celebration moment of IIT ISM, and of course, along with the 20th Symposium on NATFOI 2026. It's a great occasion for everybody, for the people who are on the dais as well as people who are present here, to celebrate this occasion and learn many good things through deliberations, interactions with all of us, between all of us. IIT ISM Dhanbad has completed 100 years. It gives us immense pride about its legacy, about the number of years it has completed, and the standard it has maintained in the entire country. So far as Steel Authority of India Limited is concerned, that is SAIL, from where I am, we have completed 72 years, almost 72 years.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable perspective on industrial innovation, strategic leadership, and future of manufacturing. Your address has reinforced the importance of translating engineering knowledge into efficient, competitive, and sustainable industrial practice. It is our profound honor to have our esteemed chief guest, Honorable Sri Sanjay Seth Ji, Minister of State of Defence, Government of India, with us here today. A distinguished public representative and committed social worker, Sri Seth Ji currently represents the Ranchi Parliamentary Constituency as the second member of the Lok Sabha. Before entering Parliament, he served as the chairman of the Jharkhand State Khadi and Village Industries Board, contributing to the promotion of indigenous industries, rural enterprise, and sustainable livelihoods. He has also been associated with important parliamentary committees, including those concerned with information technology and the welfare of other backward classes. With an academic background spanning commerce, law, and management, Sri Sethi brings extensive organizational, administrative, and public service experience to his responsibilities. As Minister of State of Defence, he contributes to strengthening India's defence preparedness, technological self-reliance, and national security. His inspiring journey reflects an enduring commitment to public welfare, inclusive development, and service to the nation. We are deeply honored by his gracious presence on this occasion. May I now wholeheartedly invite Honorable Sri Sanjay Sethi to address the gathering.
भारत माता की
जय।
आप 2047 के ब्रांड एम्बेसडर थे। ब्रांड एम्बेसडर की आवाज इतनी कमजोर नहीं होती है। बोले भारत माता की
जय।
भारत माता की
जय।
वंदे
मातरम।
वंदे
मातरम।
आज इस सिंपोजियम में जो लगातार देश की सेवा और किसी के 100 वर्ष कोई साधारण नहीं होते। 100 वर्ष एक माइलस्टोन होता है और इस 100 वर्ष की जर्नी में हमने देश को क्या दिया और आने वाले 100 वर्ष और उसके पहले आज से कई साल बाद जब देश विकसित भारत की ओर बढ़ा है, हमने 100 साल में क्या किया हमको यह नहीं देखना है। आने वाले 100 साल में हमको क्या करना है कि आज जो दुनिया जिस टेक्नोलॉजी पे हम जो आज टेक्नोलॉजी सोच रहे हैं, अगर आज ही हमने उस टेक्नोलॉजी को नहीं अपनाया तो बहुत देर हो जाएगी। आज इस अवसर पर हमारे बीच में अशोक पांडा जी, पद्मश्री संमित्रा बंदोपाध्याय जी, जेडी पाटिल जी, सुकुमार मिश्रा जी, प्रोफेसर अमित राय दीक्षित जी, एकेडमिया से जुड़े मित्रों, आप रिसर्च करने वाले स्टूडेंट्स, भाइयों तो बहनों,
Thank you, sir. May I now request Professor Sukumar Mishra to kindly felicitate our chief guest, Honorable Sri Sanjay Sethi, Minister of State of Defence, Government of India. आज हमारे विशिष्ट अतिथियों के सम्मान में भेंट किए जा रहे यह शॉल झारखंड के कुशल कारीगरों द्वारा हैंडलूम पर निर्मित है। 7 अगस्त नेशनल हैंडलूम डे के अवसर पर माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने देशवासियों से भारतीय हैंडलूम उत्पादों को अपनाने और स्थानीय कारीगरों को प्रोत्साहित करने का आह्वान किया है। आत्मनिर्भर भारत की इस भावना को आत्मसात करते हुए यह शॉल केवल सम्मान का प्रतीक नहीं, बल्कि हमारे कारीगरों के कौशल, झारखंड की समृद्ध विरासत और भारत की गौरवशाली हथकरघा परंपरा के प्रति हमारे सम्मान का भी प्रतीक है। May I now request Professor Sukumar Mishra to kindly felicitate Sri Ashok Pandaji, Chairman, Steel Authority of India Limited. Thank you, sir. May I now request Professor Sukumar Mishra to kindly felicitate Padma Shri Sangamitra Bandyopadhyay ji. Thank you, ma'am. May I now request Professor Sukumar Mishra to kindly felicitate Sri J.T. Patil ji. Thank you, sir. May these mementos serve a long-lasting expression of our gratitude to our dignitaries.
Professor Sangamitra Bandyopadhyay, Padma Shri and former Director, ISI Kolkata. Professor Subhan Mishra, Director, IIT ISM Dhanbad, distinguished fellows of INE, eminent scientists, industry leaders, invited speakers, faculty members, delegates, students, members from press and media, ladies and gentlemen. A very good morning to you all. It is my proud privilege to propose a word of gratitude on the behalf of organizing committee of the 20th Symposium on National Frontiers of Engineers and Innovation in Manufacturing Practice. At the onset, I express my deepest gratitude to our Honorable Chief Guest, Sri Sanjay Sethji, for sparing his valuable time to grace this inaugural function despite his busy schedule, sir.
After having arrangement is ये व्यवस्था था नियंता भाई इसलिए गया
Thankfully, I hope I have seven more years to go. So I'm back to full-time academics as a professor at the institute. I was there anyway, Indian Statistical Institute. So anyhow, about your question about the PMSTIAC and what sort of how the discussion, it's like a think tank and also the initiator of the national missions. Essentially, whatever is coming as national missions, the seed is sown in the discussions which happen there. The themes for every meeting, there's a theme which gets selected through some discussion, and then the experts are invited to figure out if this is worth pursuing. And that is how many of these missions have got floated in the country. So, but from there to the missions actually getting floated, it takes quite a bit of time because it has to